Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Tech Somewhat on the Budget. Now today I'm going to talk about one of the probably most famous gaming mice. This right here is the Logitech G502 mouse. Now they do have two different versions of this. They have the Spectrum and then they have the Core. The Core is what I have, and the only difference, guys, is the Spectrum has the RGB lighting. RGB Spectrum, I guess you can say. So right now they only sell the Spectrum. The Core is actually an older model, and you can find it on Amazon for, I'll get to that later. So the features that this mouse has is 12,000 DPI. You can actually change the DPI on the fly, is what they say, with this button right here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but as I'm pressing this button, you'll see these little lights going up and then off. I have five different presets on here that allows me to change the DPI literally by pressing that button. So if I'm in game, I just press that button and it'll get a little faster. Another cool feature is it has 11 programmable buttons. Once you go into the software, you can obviously program the buttons to whatever you want to do. And it has like optional weights. It actually comes with weights that you can put in the mouse and take out. And depending on your personal preference, you know, it will be a little heavier, a little lighter. Me, I don't use the weights personally. I like just the regular feel of the mouse. Also, it allows you to tune it to a certain mouse pad. So, or I guess you could say a certain surface. So when you go into the software, you basically put down the surface that you're using, the mouse pad, or whether you're just using your table. You know, nowadays, do we really need mouse pads? But that's another topic. And you put it on the surface and you tune it by moving it in a figure 8, and boom, it's tuned, it's all ready to go. Now, all those fancy features, guys, and I'm just gonna keep it quick and simple. I love this mouse. This is my favorite mouse because it's very, very comfortable. Ergonomic grip, as you see, and for my stubby hands, it's perfect. It's very comfortable, and sometimes it's like I don't even have a mouse there. It's just so smooth and moves really, really good. So guys, it does come with a braided cable. Everybody loves a braided cable. The cable looks to be about, I'm gonna estimate, at least 6 feet. So 6 feet cable, that's plenty of room. I mean, it's not wireless, but I mean, that's okay. And for the price, you can't beat it. Now the price of this on Amazon, as I'm currently speaking, or at the time of this video, is about $50. Okay, it is $50. So guys, comparing this to my other mouse, which you can find right here up in the corner, I'll link that. I did a review on a cheaper mouse, a $20 Red Dragon mouse, and I just want you guys to compare it for yourselves. In my opinion, was there a big difference? No, but I can definitely say that this mouse is more comfortable, and I've been using it for so long now that I don't even have the need to switch to a newer, better, wireless, upgraded mouse, really. So guys, I think that's it for this video. Quick review, going over some features. Amazon, 50 bucks right now. If you like what you see, give me a like. If you love it, consider subscribing. Hit that bell icon so that way you can get the notifications when I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. See you guys later.